In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your app into a template, Workspace only in Base44. Turning an existing app into a reusable template is a great way to save time, keep things consistent across projects, and make it easier for your team to spin up new apps that follow the same structure. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact clicks you need to make, and I'll also explain what's happening at each step so you understand why you're doing it, not just where to click. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 account and that you have the app you want to turn into a template already created. You'll also need to have the right permissions in your workspace because only users with sufficient access can create templates. Once that's ready, start on the main interface of the app. From here, go to the dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub in Base44. It gives you access to your apps, key configuration options, and overall workspace management. Look for the dashboard option, usually at the top or in the main navigation area, and click it. This brings you to the place where you can access app level settings. Next, within the dashboard, find and click on settings for the specific app you want to convert into a template. Settings is where you control how the app behaves, how it appears, and how it can be reused. Opening this section ensures you're editing the configuration of the current app, not something else in your workspace. Inside the settings area, look for the section labeled App Template and click on it. This is the dedicated area where Base44 lets you manage template options. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan the left or top navigation within settings, because different layouts might group template options under categories. Once the app template section is open, you'll see options that determine how widely this template can be used. Since we're focusing on workspace only templates, select the option labeled Workspace Only. This means that your app template will be available just within your current workspace, keeping it private to your organization and preventing it from being exposed beyond your team. Finally, after selecting Workspace Only, confirm the creation by clicking on Create. This action finalizes your app as a template based on its current configuration, structure, and components. Give the system a moment to process, and once it's done, your app will be available as a template when you or your teammates start new apps within this workspace. And that's it. You've successfully turned your app into a workspace-only template in Base44.